So here I am getting ready to open this box to see what we got inside. Opening. Nice and neat package. Here we go. Okay, I see some documentation, some paperwork. All right, everything seems to be there. I'm gonna start taking all the little parts out of the box, getting everything ready. Preparing the area, making sure that everything came inside, checking out I noticed by this time that some of the screws were loose inside the box. It looks like the little package Ziploc with the screw got open in transport. So I saw a couple of screws at the bottom kind of loose. So here we go, that's the hose. Nice, it's about 20 feet of length, I believe. And here's the unit. It came disassembled in order to fit into a smaller box. No need to come assemble and require a bigger box, since you could just put it together yourself. So here I'm expecting everything. Taking some of the tape that's still attached to the machine. Setting it up. Very simple. I went ahead and got my drill with the long bits. Started putting the screws together. Assemble the unit. Very easy. No surprises here. Pretty straightforward. I was just comparing everything according to the manual, making sure that everything went smoothly and correctly. Put in the screws. All the screws were the same, no complication here. Pretty straightforward. This is how the unit looks with the top on, and now I'm putting the little attachments in the side. Those didn't require any screws, just to assemble it, and I believe those pieces there did require some screws, so I went ahead and put those in. It's a nice machine, I like the color, and it's pretty simple, pretty neat, very lightweight to my surprise. The unit is comes with a plastic shell, but it almost feels like a toy, but it's not, believe me. For the type of job that I need it for, it's just great. So can't wait to put it to work to see how it performs. Couple of more screws. We are almost done with the assembly part. No big deal. Anybody can put it together, and voila. So here's the unit with the hose. That's where the hose goes to. The cord goes to the side. Now I'm checking out the nozzle. I'm kind of testing fitting the foam container. It goes in with a twisting motion. Also pretty straightforward. Nice and lightweight. Very easy to grip. So the hose is also very easy to use. The end that goes into the machine is basically a plug and play. You just snap it in, and there is no screwing needed. The part that goes into the nozzle, that you have to screw it in. But the side that goes into the machine is just stick it in there, it clips on, and you are basically ready to go. So once again, another twisting motion to put the nozzle in. Pretty straightforward. The way you secure it to the machine is just put it over the top and snap it in there. It's pretty secure. Nice and neat, and you are ready to go. So right now we are putting it to the test, and you're gonna see how well it performs. This is me giving my SUV a little wash here, testing the machine. So at this time, I went ahead and remove the nozzle to get ready for the foam container. Very easy, just twist, take apart, and just get the container. Put the soap in. I didn't have to put a lot in. Less than half of the container for the foam action, and you'll see in a second how well the machine was able to cover my whole vehicle. As you can see, as soon as I pressed the trigger, the foam started coming out immediately with a nice thick layer on my SUV. It worked great, just like the professional equipment that you see in other videos. It worked very well. The spray was wide, and I was able to cover the whole SUV without any effort. Very handy. I loved it. Definitely makes the job a whole lot easier. This machine is definitely something that will get you there. So now I'm rinsing my SUV, taking the soap out after I wiped the whole thing. And like I said, the pressure is good enough to immediately remove all the soap or the foam top of the vehicle, and it definitely made my job easier, and definitely took some time off from the whole cleaning process. Definitely a great little machine. For an electric machine, it's definitely worth your while. That's for sure. Here, even my wife got into the action. She was going to use it and test it. Very easy to use. The female can definitely use it. It's very light, very comfortable to use. Anybody can definitely get into the action. Okay, so in conclusion, I think this thing was a win. Definitely had enough power to get the job done. When hooking up the external container for the bubbles, it was great. It was definitely put a lot of soap in my vehicle, nicely even, nice and thick. Can't complain. Like I said, the pressure was definitely excellent for the type of job that I was doing, giving my SUV a nice quick clean. It took me longer to dry my car than to wash it. It definitely helps you do the job quickly. Very satisfied with the performance of this machine. That's for sure. Everything was easy to put together, easy to operate. Can't complain. The canister worked well. I didn't have to put a lot of soap in here, maybe up to my finger length, not a lot, and I was able to cover the whole vehicle. Nicely done. Definitely would recommend it. All right, so thank you for watching, and I see you on the next one. Bye bye.